Okay شباب, lesson 3, solution of the triangle. We have here 4 cases. Case number 1, solving the triangle given the length of one of side and the measures of two angles. In triangle ABC, if measure of angle A and measure of angle B and A are given. First, use the relation measure of angle C equal 180 minus measure of angle A plus measure of angle B to find measure of angle C. Number 2, use the law A over sine A equal B over sine B equal C over sine C to find B and C. Case number 2. Solving the triangle given the length of two sides and measure of the included angle. In triangle ABC, if A and B and measure of angle C are given, first use the law C power 2 equal A power 2 plus B power 2 minus 2AB cosine C to find C. Number 2, it's better to use the law cosine A equal B power 2 plus C power 2 minus A power 2 over 2ABC to find measure of angle A, because it determines what? The acute or obtuse angle. Or of course you can use the sine law to find the measure of the angle opposite to the smaller of the two given sides. Number 3, use the relation measure of angle B equal 180 minus open bracket measure of angle A plus measure of angle C to find measure of angle B. Third case, solving the triangle given the length of the three sides. In triangle ABC, if A, B and C are given here, use the law cosine A equal B power 2 plus C power 2 minus A power 2 over 2ABC to find measure of angle A. Use the law cosine B equal C power 2 plus A power 2 minus B power 2 over 2AC to find measure of angle B. Then find measure of angle C by 180 minus open bracket measure of angle A plus measure of angle B to find measure of angle C. Fourth case, solving the triangle given the length of two sides and the measure of the opposite angle to one of them. Yes, Apple's case. First, in triangle ABC, A and B and measure of angle A are given, then we find H equal B sine A and find the possible solutions of the triangle. We compare between the values A, B and H as follow. Yes, if angle A is an acute angle. In triangle ABC, if A, B and a measure of angle A are given, then we find H equal B sine A. And to find the possible solution of the triangle, we compare between the values A, B and H as follow. First, if A is acute angle, if number 1, wholly A smaller than H, then we cannot draw the triangle. A equal H, then we can draw, yes, only unique right angle triangle. A bigger than H smaller than B, then we can draw two triangles. A bigger than or equal B, then we can draw unique triangle. Second here, if angle A is right or obtuse and number 1, A smaller than or equal B, then we cannot draw a triangle. A is bigger than B, then we can draw, yes, an only unique triangle. In this case, we can solve the triangle using sine law, okay, directly without determining the number of the possible triangles. Yes, and هنا 3 cases here. We consider them to the following here. Angle A lies in the first quad if it's acute, and lies in the second quad if it's obtuse. If is a obtuse. The range of the sine function is -1 to 1 closed interval. If the triangle has an obtuse angle, then the other two angles must be طبعا acute angles. For example, show if the following conditions satisfy the existence here of one of triangle or more, or don't satisfy طبعا. Okay, then find is possible. If to find it, it's a possible solution. بعد كده عايزين possible solution. ABC is a triangle in which measure of angle A equal 112, A equal 4 centimeters and B equal 7 centimeters. Since angle A is obtuse angle and A is smaller than B, then yes, the condition do not satisfy the existence of any triangle at all. B. DEF is a triangle in which measure of angle D equals 60, D equals 7.5 centimeters and E equal 5 root 3 centimeters. لأن عندي هنا angle دي طبعا acute angle which equal E sin D equal D equal 5 root 3 sin 60 هتبقى equal 7.5 centimeters. يبقى D equal H here since طبعا there is a unique solution of the triangle which is right angle at E. Measure of angle F equal 180 minus طبعا open bracket 60 plus 90 تطلع 30 degrees. F equals square root yes 5 cubic root 5 root 3 all power 2 minus 7.5 all power 2 تطلع طبعا بعد الكالكوليتر تطلع 5 root 3 over 2 centimeters. ABC is a triangle in which measure of angle A equal 40, A equal 8.5 centimeters and B equal 7 centimeters. Since angle A is obtuse angle and A is bigger than B, there is a unique solution of the triangle. Since A over sine A equal B over sine B, يبقى 8.5 over sine 40 equal 7 over sine B. من هنا أقدر أجيب sine B equal 7 times sine 40 over 8.5 approximately value 0.53. يبقى measure of angle B approximately value 32 degrees. يبقى measure of angle C طبعا 180 minus open bracket 40 plus 32 تطلع obtuse angle 108 degrees. Since A over sine A equal B over sine C, يبقى هقدر اجيب من هنا انا هقول ايه عشان اعرف اجيب C. يبقى 8.5 over sine 40 equal C over sine 108. يبقى C هعمل cross multiplication equal 8.5 sine 108 over sine 40 approximately value 12.58 centimeters.